Yeah, I think go straight. Or not, or jump around. Do we go this way? Guy, you had to get all fancy. Oh, that moment. Yeah, exactly. I was like, what the fuck? And hi. Hi, Mad Zone. Welcome. Oh, yeah, you're right. I think we need to go up. Oh, I found another door. That guy sees me. Oh, that guy sees me. Oh, shit. No! This is a horrible time to lockpick. I'm getting in trouble. I'm getting in trouble. Yeah, sorry. Sorry. Yeah, I respect it. My mic is in my eye. I don't like to put it under my nose or else people can hear me breathing. I can't tell who's who. Why are you doing all that fancy stuff with your sword? Okay. I'm going to try to lockpick this now. Okay. You got a playing card. He had one playing card in his pocket. Ah, damn it. Oh, I think I'm out of... Okay, gotta go earlier. Okay, I suck at this. Okay, no, I give up.